This call is now being recorded.
Students, screen is visible. Screen is visible, pa?
மேம் விசிபிளா தான் இருக்கு.
Okay.
ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே மேம். ஷேரிங்ல இருக்கு.
பண்ணிடலாம்ல சார்?
மேம் ஒரு 1 minute வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good afternoon, students. So, our next unit is Unit 2. Heading of that unit is Finite Fields and Polynomials. Okay. In this unit, first we are going to see polynomial rings. I think all of you know about what is ring. Okay, here, but in this unit, we are going to see the polynomial rings. So first, I think all of you know about polynomial. What is polynomial? Suppose if you take f of x, it is equal to an x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a etc. a1 x power 1 plus a0 x power 0. This is one of the polynomial. In this, x is called the indeterminate, or and also it is called a variable, right? X is called a variable or indeterminate, and the coefficient of x, that is a0, a1, etc., an, or coefficients of x, all the coefficients are belongs to the ring. Okay, so it's called a polynomial ring. Okay, so we take one polynomial. In that polynomial, the coefficients of the variables are all belongs to the ring, then it is called a polynomial ring. Okay, so that is the first part. Given a ring, or comma plus comma dot is a ring. Under addition and multiplication, we take one ring. In that, we define one polynomial. In that polynomial, all the coefficients of the variables or belongs to that corresponding, then it is called the polynomial ring. Okay, in that polynomial, the first one, an, okay, so it is called the leading coefficient. The name of that one is called the leading coefficient of that polynomial, and it is not equal to 0. Surely if it is not equal to 0, then it is called the leading polynomial. Okay, next, the last term, the term a0 x power 0 is called the constant term. So x power 0 is 1 and only a0 only is available. So it is called the constant term. Okay, this is called the constant term. a0 x power 0 is called the constant term. So next, the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is nothing but the highest power of x. Okay, so in the given polynomial, the highest power is n. So what is the degree of that polynomial? It is n. Okay, so it is a polynomial of degree n. So degree is nothing but the highest power of x. Okay, next, how can you define that polynomial ring? Yes, how can you denote the polynomial ring? Is nothing but or square bracket x, that is called the, this one is called the polynomial notation, ring, polynomial ring notation. Okay, so r of x denote the set of all polynomials in the indeterminate x with coefficient from r. So this is the notation. Next, if you take another polynomial g of x, it is defined as b power m, x power m, and so on, is a polynomial ring if the previous one, f of x, and this g of x, both the polynomials are equal. When will you say that that is equal? The degree is same. Okay, the first thing is the degree is same, that is m equal to n, and the coefficients are equal, coefficients of the variables are equal, that is ai equal to bi. Then we say that both the polynomials are same. Okay, next one is example. Let r equal to q comma plus under dot, that is we define one ring. It is a set of all rational number under addition and multiplication. We define one polynomial, 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x plus 2 is a polynomial. The degree is 3 and the leading coefficient is 4 and the constant term is 2. Actually, in this polynomial, we define infinitely many polynomial. Okay, right? So for example, the next example, let r equal to z2, that is addition modulo 2. Under addition and multiplication, it is a ring. In this, we define infinitely many polynomials, but the characteristics only 2. Okay, because the coefficients is characters. What is the characters? The elements in Z2. What is Z elements in Z2? It is only 0 and 1. So we define lot of polynomials, infinitely many polynomials we define, but the characteristics only is 2. Okay, so that is the one of the example of polynomial ring. Z2 comma plus under dot. So we define that polynomial is x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 because the coefficient is only 0 and 1 because it is addition modulo 2. Okay, so next one is fourth example. Let r equal to z6 under addition and multiplication is a ring, addition module 6. So the expression 5x squared plus 3x minus 2x power 0 is a polynomial of degree 2. The leading coefficient is 5 and the constant term is minus 2. That minus 2 can also be written as it is 4. Okay, because it is modulo 6. So we can also written this minus 2 as 4. Okay, so the same polynomial can be written as 5x squared plus 3x plus 4x power 0. Okay. Next is the 0 element of r of x, that is polynomial ring, is said to have no degree and no leading coefficient. So no degree and no leading coefficient means it is a constant polynomial only. That is the fifth point. Okay. So next, I'm going to define two polynomials, f of x and I'm going to define two polynomials, f of x and g of x. Okay, so it has both the or a degree n, and then your I is also lies between 0 to n and j is also lies between 0 to m because we take intermediate ai bj belongs to R. Listen, now I'm going to define the addition and multiplication of these two polynomials. Okay, so f of x is one of the polynomial and g of x is one of the polynomial. Both the coefficients are belongs to R, so it is a polynomial ring. So I'm going to define the addition of those two polynomials, that is f of x plus g of x. So f of x plus g of x is nothing but you can add the coefficients. Okay, so it is nothing but by using this formula, summation I is equal to 0 to n ai plus bi into x power I. Okay, so first you have to write all the coefficients, that is a coefficient of the polynomial f of x and the coefficient of the polynomial g of x, and then you can add the coefficients. So by using this formula we can find the f of x plus g of x. It is an addition of two polynomials. Next, multiplication of two polynomials, it is f of x into g of x. So f of x into g of x, you can add either multiply directly or otherwise, so using this formula. Okay, for f of x and g of x, the coefficients of x power t, each coefficient of x power t is summation k equal to 0 to t a into t minus k into bk. So in this, your t surely lies between 0 to n plus m, that is degree of f of x plus degree of g of x, and also in f of x plus g of x, if you add those two, you need to take the highest degree. Okay, so if n is greater, then you have to take n. So summation varies from up to n. Suppose the degree of g of x is higher degree, that is m is greater value, then you have to choose the summation I is equal to 0 to m. Okay, so in this summation we need to take the highest power. Okay, so either n is highest, then you have to choose n, or otherwise m is highest, we have to take m. Okay, so product, we can use this formula, we finding the product of two polynomials. So first thing of this unit is, first, what is polynomial ring? Second thing, how to add two polynomials and multiplication of two polynomials, how to find the addition of two polynomials and multiplication of two polynomials. That is the second part of this unit. Okay, so I'm going to do an example. So we define two polynomials. First one is f of x. We define the polynomial 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 into x power 0. And one more polynomial g of x. Both the polynomials whose coefficient from Z5. Okay, so Z5 is a ring. Z5 under addition and multiplication is a ring. So we take the coefficients from Z5. Okay, so in this, first you have to write the coefficients of f of x and g of x. F of x coefficient, we take it as a. Okay, so a1, a2, a3 and so on. Similarly, in g of x, we take it as b. Okay, so in this first one, that is x cube coefficient is a3. Okay, so you have to write in the reverse format. Okay, x naught x power 0 coefficient is a naught, that is a naught equal to 1, and x power 1 coefficient is a1 equal to 3, and x squared coefficient is a2, and x cube coefficient is a3. Okay, so a naught value 1, a1 value 3, a2 value 2, a3 value is 4. Similarly, for g of x, x power 0 coefficient is 2, that is your b naught, and x power 1 coefficient is 1, that is your b1, and x squared coefficient is 3, that is your b2. Okay, so in this, which one is higher degree? It is f of x degree. It is the degree is 3. Okay, so and g of x degree is 2. So what is my n value? N value is the degree of f of x. It is 3. Okay, so n is 3 and m is nothing but 2. In this, n greater than m. Okay, so I'm going to find the addition of f of x plus g of x. Okay, so f of x plus g of x. What is the formula? What is the formula for f of x plus g of x? It is, so it is summation I equal to 0 to either n or m. Here n is the greater value, so I am choosing n. So I equal to 0 to 3. I equal to 0 to 3 ai plus bi into x power I. Okay, so if you expand this, first expand the summation. First put I equal to 0. We get a naught plus b naught x power 0. And then put I equal to 1, a1 plus b1 x power 1 and so on up to 3. You have to expand the summation. Okay, because I equal to 0 to 3. So first expand the summation. After expanding the summation, substitute the a, b values. Okay, so a naught value is 1, b naught value is 2. Similarly, a1, b1 and a2, b2, a3, b3 values. Substitute all the values. In this, b3 value is 0. Why b3 value is 0? It is less than your I. I varies from 0 to 3. No, so n is the highest value. So here your g of x degree is only 2. So therefore the coefficient of the b3 is 0. So b3 value is 0. Now if you simplify this, we get 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x plus 3. If you add and multiply x into x, we get this polynomial. In this polynomial, see the coefficient of the polynomials. X cubed coefficient is 4, x squared coefficient is 5, and x coefficient is 4, and constant term is 3. In this, x squared coefficient 5, here we are taking the z5. Okay, this we define the both the polynomials is under modulo 5 only. Okay, so what is the value of 5 here, ma? In the place of 5, it is modulo 5. No, so in the place of 5, I am replacing 0. Okay, so 4x cubed plus 4x plus 3x power 0. This is the addition of the polynomials f of x plus g of x under addition modulo 5. Okay, sorry, under modulo 5. So next I am multiplying f of x and g of x. So f of x into g of x, either you can multiply it directly. If it is a simple term, you can multiply it directly, direct multiplication. But it suppose it is a degree, highest degree terms, then you can use this formula. Okay, so what is the formula? Summation. We need to put the formula for each coefficient of x power t. Okay, so that is the formula here. What is the formula here? We need to define that is for coefficient of x of t is summation. Each coefficient we need to write this formula. So I am writing first coefficient x power 5 first I am taking. So k equal to 0 to 5, a power t minus k. Here up I am taking 5. Okay, so t minus k, that is 5 minus k into bk x power 5. So here, because here I am defining the coefficient of x power 5, I am going to find. That's why I am putting 5. Okay, next coefficient of x power 4 I needed. So I am writing the formula in this way. K equal to 0 to 4, a t value here it is 4. Okay, so a into 4 minus k, bk x power 4. Similarly for x cube, x squared, x and x. Okay, so we need to find the values for each coefficient, because if you multiply, we get first is a single term and then multiplication of x. If we need the coefficient of x, it is a multiple of 2 terms, and then again third, if you multiply the third, we get 3 terms. So that's why here I am putting each coefficient. Okay, so now if you expand the summation, first for x power 5, put a k equal to 0 to 5, we get the first term. Okay, we get the first term, this term for into x power 5, and then next summation if we expand, we get this one, and third summation if we expand, we get this a2 b0 plus a1 b1 plus a0 b2 x squared. So similarly, if we expand all the summation, we get this one. Okay, so after expanding x cube, then expand x squared. Actually in your first x squared, but you have to expand it x power 5, x power 4, x cube, x squared, and x power 0, x power 1 and x power 0. Okay, right, and then substitute all the values of a coefficient values and b value coefficient of f of x and g of x. We get this terms, that is this one. So right, right students, I'm next one. Okay, if you multiply, we get one polynomial. In that polynomial, the coefficients are 10, 7 and 19 and so on. It is in the previous slide, previous PDF. So if you replace b, it is z5, a modulo 5. So you have to replace the values greater than 5 values. So it is 10 is nothing but 0 and 7 is equal to 2 and 19 is 4. So if you replace that under modulo 5, if you convert it, we get this polynomial. F of x into g of x is 2x power 5 plus 4x cube plus 2x plus 2x power 0. So this is the multiplication and addition of two polynomials. It is a very important 8-mark problem in this topic. Okay, so two polynomials are given. We need to find the addition and multiplication of two polynomials under some ring. Okay, so either they are given a set of all rational numbers, that is ring under rational numbers, or otherwise modulo under modulo. Okay, so whatever is given, first we need to add the coefficients directly. So it is f of x plus g of x, and multiply, we get f of x into g of x using the formula. Okay, right. So in the multiplication, one thing is very important. Your t lies between 0 to n plus m. Okay. So here n is 3 and m is 2. So we replace the t value 0 to 5. Okay. Clear? Any doubt up to this, ma? Students, anyone unmute and then answer?
No doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Sir, ma'am,
எப்ப கட்டாச்சு?
ma'am,
Ma'am, நீங்க ஒரு
Sir?
student question கேட்டீங்களா அப்ப கட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
சார் எப்ப சார்?
Question கேட்டீங்க தெரியுங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே அப்பதானே சார்?
கட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார். சோ அது வரைக்கும் கிளியரா தானே சார் இருந்துச்சு? குப்ரா சார்?
கிளியரா தான் மேம் இருந்துச்சு. கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார் ஓகே.
கிளியரா தான் மேம் இருக்கு.
ஓகே.
கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே
இந்த
சார்.
டவுட் கேக்குற டைம் क्वेश्चन கேக்குற டைம்ல கொஞ்சம் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார். Students, any doubt ma up to this? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே. யாரும் வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க சஞ்சய் சரணை தவிர. ஓகே ஓகேமா. நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் சைட் பிரசன்ட் பண்றேன். வெயிட். Okay. I think up to this clear. Up to this is nothing but only the definition and the how to find the addition and the multiplication of two polynomials. Okay. So up to this, we need to focus that two parts only. What is the definition and how to find f of x plus g of x and f of x into g of x. Okay. Right. The next one is one important theorem. So the statement of the theorem is if R is a ring, then R of x, that is polynomial ring. This notation is polynomial ring. Okay, don't forget that. Polynomial ring under addition and multiplication is also is a ring called a polynomial ring over R under the operation of addition and multiplication. Okay, we are going to prove that. Okay, so we know that R is a ring, but here in this theorem we are going to prove R of x is also a ring under addition and multiplication. R of x is also a ring. Okay, right? That is the statement of the theorem. Okay, so we define two polynomials f of x and g of x. As usual, your coefficients belongs to ring R. Okay, and here I am taking n is the greatest degree. Okay, so n greater than m, and addition of f of x plus g of x, the formula summation I equal to 0 to n ai plus bi x power I. In this bi value 0 because I is greater than m, and the multiplication. Okay, so f of x into g of x. So using this formula where the coefficient of x power t. So in this, the statement is this one. Statement is nothing but we take two polynomials. Both the polynomials, the coefficients are belongs to the ring. We are going to prove that the addition and the polynomial ring, that is R of X is also a polynomial ring under addition and multiplication. Okay, that is we are going to prove that. Okay, right? So what are the axioms of ring? What we need to prove? So if it is a ring, we need to prove it is a abelian group under addition. Okay, right? Next, it is semi group under multiplication. Okay, and then distributive law, right? So these are the things we need to prove. So first we are going to prove the closure axiom for under addition as well as multiplication. Okay, so first under addition I'm going to prove the closure axiom. Okay, so I think it is directly we can say that that is the closure is satisfied. Why? The coefficients of f of x and g of x, that is a and b, both belongs to R. Suppose what is a plus b? If you add the coefficient a plus b, it is also belongs to R only, right? So that is closure property, right or not? So f of x plus g of x equal to summation I equal to 0 to n ai plus bi into x power I. In this ai bi belongs to R, so ai plus bi is also belongs to R. Therefore the closure axiom is satisfied under addition. Okay, next under multiplication. What is under multiplication? How can you say that? It is also in the same way, closure property. Okay, a1 b1 belongs to R means a1 into b1 is also belongs to R. Okay, so that is ai comma bj belongs to R, then which implies ai into bj is also belongs to R. So it is closure axiom is satisfied under multiplication also. Okay, closure எப்பவுமே வந்து நம்ம closure axiom வந்து just அப்படியே define ஓரலா டிஃபைன் பண்றது தான். ஓகே, எதுவுமே ப்ரூஃப் பண்ணி லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரூஃப் பண்றதுலாம் கிடையாது. க்ளோஷர் ஆக்சியம் as per definition படி க்ளோஷர் ஆக்சியம் surely it is satisfied because both the coefficients belongs to னா அதோட அடிஷனும் அங்கதான் இருக்கும், அதோட மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனும் belongs to R தான் இருக்கும். Therefore closure axiom is satisfied. Okay, right? Next, associative axiom. So associative, first I'm going to prove that under addition. Okay, so here we need three polynomials, so I am defining one more polynomial h of x. So g of x, f of x, h of x belongs to R of x. So then we are going to prove f of x plus g of x in plus h of x is equal to f of x plus g of x plus h of x. Okay, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. Proof only the same thing here also we are going to prove. So take f of x, g of x and h of x. Three polynomials not defined பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Here I am defining one more term. Yes, s is nothing but maximum of n comma m comma p. Okay, previously two polynomials இருக்கிறப்ப we take the maximum. Which one is maximum? n m இல்ல n is maximum நம்ம இங்க already theorem statementல எடுத்துட்டோம். Okay, right? So அப்ப n is the maximum consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். But இங்க we define three polynomials. So under this
மேம் மேம்
Okay. Students, I think right now. Okay. So I think closure axiom முடிஞ்சிருச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Closure axiom வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சிச்சா? So associative I think started. So associative உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா? associativeல எங்கமா ஸ்டாப் ஆச்சு? நான் அப்படியே associative சொல்றேன். Okay, so f of x plus g of x plus h of x I am defining. So s is the maximum of n, m and p. I am taking that. Okay, so if you put that, we get ai plus, so actually the coefficients are all belongs to R. So associative property directly applicable. Yeah? So ai plus bi bracket ai plus bi plus ca is also equal to ai plus bi plus ca. So because associative is applicable in R, applicable for the coefficients of the polynomial. So ai plus bi plus ci, again split that same way la split up பண்ணி எப்படி join பண்ணியோ அதே மாதிரி split up பண்றேன். So summation I equal to 0 to s ai plus bi into x plus I equal to 0 to p ci into x power I. Okay, so ai plus bi is nothing but f of x plus g of x plus h of x. Okay, so next is under multiplication. Okay, under multiplication. So under multiplication we need to prove the associative property. Okay, so actually இது நம்ம prove பண்ணல, டைரக்டா just wordings ல மட்டும் தான் நம்ம சொல்ல போறோம். Okay, so actually if you multiply f of x into g of x into h of x na has the form of sum a into x power t. Okay, in this the t is lies between 0 to the addition of the degree of the three polynomials m plus n plus p. A capital A is nothing but the sum of all product of the form. Okay, so total because it is n m and p layer, so multiply பண்ணி நம்ம work out பண்ணாம டைரக்டா எப்படி சொல்றோம்னா, so we take it as directly the product is a x power t. Your t lies between 0 to m plus n plus p degree of all the polynomials, and a is the nothing but the sum of all products. Okay, எல்லா products ஓட sum மொத்த sum நான் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறேன், capital A ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Okay, so is of the form ai bj into ck. Okay, right? So this is for f of x g of x into h of x. So நீ இதே change பண்ணினா, that is f of x into g of x into h of x, that is நான் bracket change பண்ணி போட்டேனா, so that அந்த format நான் எப்படி choose பண்ணிக்கிறேன்னா, it is of the form bx power t. Okay, so b ங்கிறது is the sum of all the products of the form. Okay, ai bj into ck. So and then your t is also surely lies between 0 to m plus n plus p. Okay, so here actually your capital A is of the form ai bj into ck, and capital B is of the form ai into bj ck, right? So actually a b c all are belongs to R, so associative property applicable. So both are same na, a is equal to b. Okay, right? The coefficients that is ai in the coefficients iruklayama, so that is in the term equate panina ai into bj ck. Similarly for the previous one. Okay, previous one what is the a value? It is nothing but ai bj into ck. Okay, so in the rendu term if you equate, we can get, because it is belongs to R, so both are same, therefore a equal to b. Okay, so therefore associative is also satisfied under multiplication. So under multiplication la, so closure and associative satisfy aidichu, right? So next I am going to prove under addition what is the identity and what about the inverse. What is the identity? Any idea about identity? Additive identity. So it is nothing but f of x is a polynomial. Here I am taking the g of x is, it is a constant polynomial. Okay, that is 0x power 0. Okay, so 0x power 0 is called the additive identity element. It is belongs to R of x. It is also belongs to the polynomial ring down. Okay, so 0x power 0 is also belongs to R of x. It is in the definition layer, it is available. So That is the identity of, because we know that in the additive identity, what is the additive identity under or ring la வந்து general define பண்றப்போ what is the additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. Okay, right? But இங்க polynomial நீ define பண்றப்ப we take one polynomial f of x, அதோட actually we need again f of x இல்லையா? What suppose if a plus e equal to e plus a is equal to நமக்கு என்ன வரணும் again a, right? Then we say that e is the identity element, right or not? So here if you take one polynomial f of x plus நான் அதை எதோட ஆட் பண்ணா எனக்கு வந்து again same f of x exist ஆகும் அதே polynomial 0 பண்ணணும், that is 0 x power 0. Okay, right? So அதோட ஆட் பண்றப்ப again I am getting sir வரேன்
மேம்
sir
ஓகே
வரேன்
மேம்.
sir
ஓகே
sorry sir நான் எவ்வளவு ட்ரை பண்றேன் பட் அது ஆனா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா கட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு
நோ ப்ராப்ளம். கன்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க. நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார் students sorry students okay okay so this is additive identity. So your additive identity is
மேம்
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லிசன்மா, நான் இப்ப பிபிடி பிரசன்ட் பண்ணல. ஓகே, நான் டைரக்டா இன்னும் 5 minutes தான் இருக்கு. நான் ஏன்னா நிறைய டைம் கட் ஆயிட்டனால நான் என்ன சொன்னேங்கிறத நான் ஜஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன் உனக்கு. ஓகே, பிபிடி நான் போடல, டைரக்டா நான் பிடிஎஃப் போடாம நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஓகே ரைட். சோ இந்த ஃபைனைட் ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் பாலினாமியல்ஸ்ல சார் கேக்குது இல்ல?
மேம் ஆடிபிளா இருக்கு, ஆடிபிளா இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா. ஓகே.
இந்த செகண்ட் யூனிட்ல first section நீ split பண்ணினா first is a polynomial ring. That is the first section. Okay, right? So adula first define பண்றோம் what is polynomial ring. So it is nothing but if you take one polynomial, so the coefficients of the variables, okay, in the polynomial the coefficients of the variables belongs to R ringல இருந்துச்சுனா it is called a polynomial ring. Okay, in that the first, the highest degree, it is nothing but the highest power. Degree is nothing but the highest power of x. Okay, so it is called the degree. So on the highest degree, highest power, adoda coefficient, it is not equal to 0. It is a leading coefficient. Okay, so main thing is first what is polynomial ring, second what is the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is nothing but உனக்கு எது வந்து highest power ஆயிருக்கோ, so அதோட coefficient is not equal to 0 இருக்குல்ல, that is called the leading coefficient. And the last term as usual constant term. Okay, then in the polynomial ring வந்து நம்ம எப்படி define or denote பண்றோம்னா capital R of square bracketல x போட்டினா அது வந்து polynomial ring னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, R of x, right? Actually அதை read பண்றப்ப R of x னு read பண்ணுவோம், but notationல போடுறப்ப capital R square bracketல x போடணும். So அது வந்து polynomial ring ஓட notation. Okay, right? So இது first. Second வந்து f of x plus g of x, அதாவது two polynomials எடுத்தீங்கன்னா how to find the addition of two polynomials and how to multiply the two polynomials f of x into g of x. That is the second part. Okay, இது வந்து ஒரு sum. Okay, இது important sum also, 8 mark sum. So f of x plus g of x நீ இந்த define பண்ற polynomial under addition ringங்கிறப்ப உனக்கு ring வந்து set of all rational numbers under addition and multiplicationல இருக்கும், and then is moduloல இருக்கும். Okay, so எதுல நீ choose பண்ணாலும் அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி அந்த addition and multiplication போடும். Suppose இப்ப ரெண்டு polynomial define பண்றாங்க under set of all rational numbers னா உனக்கு எந்த கண்டிஷனும் இல்ல, டைரக்டா நீ ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு f of x plus g of x ஆட் பண்ணி and f of x into g of x டைரக்டா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடிஞ்சா பண்ணு, இல்லனா ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு டைரக்டா சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம், because it is also belongs to set of all rational numbers. But under addition modulo னு வரப்ப we need to whether என்ன moduloல வருது, sorry modulo னு வரப்ப under modulo எந்த moduloல வருதுன்னு பார்த்துட்டு so அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி நீ உன்னோட coefficient ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay, right? So f of x plus g of x க்கு formula summation I equal to 0 to that new n இருக்குலையா, summation I கீழ வந்து I equal to 0 power நீ n போடுறது வந்து it is greatest degree, எது greatest degree. So f of x ல greatest degree இருந்தா அத போடணும், g of x ஓட degree greatest ஆ இருந்தா அதுதான் உனக்கு வரும். Okay, so it summation varies from that up to that greatest degree. Okay, so ai plus bi into x power I, coefficient add பண்ணி into x power I. Okay, so first expand the summation and then put the coefficients values. Okay, coefficient நீ given polynomial ல எடுத்து எழுதணும், reverseல எழுது. Okay, so x power 0 ஓட coefficient தான் a0, x power 1 ஓட coefficient a1. Okay, reverseல எழுதிட்டு வரணும். So on the coefficient if you substitute and then add it, first expand the summation and substitute the coefficient values and then add it, you get the one more polynomial. In that polynomial suppose modulo la vanduchina we need to change that value. If suppose addition modulo to addition and multiplication modulo 2 na characteristics only 0 and 1 mattum da. Okay, so appo and polynomial la nee 0 and 1 vara mari mattum da nee eludum. Okay, right? So this is f of x plus g of x and f of x into g of x ku formula vandu that is summation I is equal to k equal to 0 to t of, right, k equal to 0 to t a t minus k b k into x power k, x power t, sorry, x power t, b a t minus k b k into x power t. So either what is that t na, it is nothing but it lies between 0 to n plus m. Okay, degree of the two polynomials and the rendu polynomial degree da 0 to n plus m da unnoda t. Okay, t varies from 0 to n plus 1. So if you expand the formula and then substitute all the values, we get the formula வந்து நீ இந்த formula மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, summation k equal to 0 to t, a t minus k, b k into x power t. ஓகே சோ அதுல t வந்து என்னன்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால்குலேட் பண்ணிட்டு 0 to எது வரைக்கும் நீ t வேரி பண்ணனும் n plus m ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு then substitute that values and then expanded the summation and put coefficient, we get f of x into g of x. Okay, right? So this is for f of x into g of x. It is sum. So next one important theorem. That theorem is nothing but, so r comma plus comma dot is a ring, then we are going to prove r of x, that is polynomial ring. Okay, comma under addition and multiplication la it is also a ring nu prove panapom. Polynomial ring under addition and multiplication la it is a polynomial, that is f of x plus g of x. Easiest way solnumna f of x plus g of x, f of x into g of x. Okay, so ideyum நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்ல போறோம், ring nu prove பண்ண போறோம். Okay, polynomial ring. So அத prove பண்றதுக்கு first we need to prove under addition. So under addition la it is a abelian group nu prove பண்ணும். So abelian na என்னென்ன prove பண்ணும், associative, okay, so closure, identity, inverse, commutative. So எல்லா லாவுமே prove பண்ணி வரணும். Okay, so அடுத்தது under multiplication it is a semi. Semi na என்னென்ன prove பண்ணா போதும், closure and associative மட்டும் prove பண்ணி காட்டேன். So இதெல்லாமே நீ நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு போட்டிருப்ப, இங்க பாலினாமியலுக்கு வர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி காட்டுறேன், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, ரைட்? சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா. சோ டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா அண்டர் அடிஷன் அண்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல சோ பாலினாமியலுக்கு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லான்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? சோ இது இந்த அக்ஸியம்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகுறதுனால r of x, plus under addition and multiplication r of x is also a ring அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்றோம். ஓகேவா? சோ இது வரைக்கும் தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம், ரைட்டாமா? சோ நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த மெட்டீரியலை வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து கூகுள் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல போடுறேன். நீ ஒரு டைம் கோ த்ரூ பண்ணி பாரு, பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உனக்கு கிளாரிட்டி கிடைக்கும்.